everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, the one and only Shika G. So today's video, I'm just going to be talking to you guys about this wig that I have on right now. This wig is from Amazon. Yes, honey. It's a very affordable lace front human hair wig, okay? This wig is $70. I ended up paying $80 because of tax and all that good stuff. But, sweetie, this hair is worth it, okay? So, first and foremost, let me tell you what I got. I got a 9A body wave 16-inch lace front wig, 13x4 regular degular, 150% density. If you want, I can go ahead and put the link of this wig in the description so y'all can go ahead and check it out. This was one of the wigs on Amazon that didn't have as many reviews as like Hermosa, you know, but I decided to give it a little try, see what's going on, see what it's talking about. And so far, I'm actually enjoying it. The installation process was pretty easy when it came to like bleaching the knots. The knots bleached really easy. There was no issues with that. There were like a few knots that didn't get to bleach, but you know, that's normal. Plucking was easy. The wig did come pre-plucked. So, you know, just a little extra touch up here and there. After I had finished installing it and all that good stuff, about 2 hours later, just being in the house, doing daily activities in the house, the hair did start to become a little stiff. But you just need to keep a calm on you, keep it combed out. I did go out just for a little bit, probably like for an hour, and the hair did start to swell up, but I'm not even mad because it's only $70. Like, I'm not expecting too much from this hair anyways. It looks really good. It straightens well, it curls easy. Like, this hair feels like some good hair. This hair actually reminds me of the Love Me wig that I had purchased a couple months ago, back in like January, whatever. It's like the quality, the cut, the natural look, and yeah, I can definitely say that this wig is definitely big head friendly, okay? For all my big headed girlies out there, this wig is for you. If you have a small head, I do not recommend. Like, look at this. This is like still pieces of the wig. Like, can you see that? Like right here, still the wig. Like, it's so bulky in the back. If I was to ever put this like in a ponytail, it would look crazy. I did have to like sew an elastic down and cross the adjustable straps, and it's still pretty loose on my head. So if you got a big head, boo, go crazy. Small heads, the same for you, boo. I'm sorry, but it does look good. This is what the lace, y'all see what the lace is looking like? Okay, this is like with no makeup, no filter or anything, obviously. I mean, it doesn't look that crazy in person. Like, once you put the baby hairs down and stuff, it looks pretty good. The lace is a tad bit too dark for my skin tone, but it's nothing too serious. I did say I bleached the knots, so it does give it that look. It gives it a little bit more of a natural look, to me at least. But I haven't added like any makeup on it yet, so I feel like that would probably just make it look a little better. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I'm really loving this hair. I'll definitely come back within 2 weeks for a 2-week update so y'all can see like what this hair is looking like. And I'm also going to be showing you guys my installation process, so stay tuned for that. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I'll see in the stand hairline, bro. You see that melt? And then once the baby hairs go in, shit about to go crazy. Period. It's reveal time. Let's do this. I'm excited. So excited. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, you guys. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with anyone that's thinking about getting an Amazon wig, and like it up. Yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Have a blessed and beautiful day. Bye.